We got big leaders as big as coconut trees, solid big leaders. We got leaders who say in the assembly, I have my good relations with with the ruling party. Why I should spoil my relations? We are only four of them. We are only five. Four fellows who have enjoyed positions of power at the cost of the party. And imagine out of the four, one fellow is saying, why I should spoil my relations? When when your story is, story is big story. What you were and what you are now. And you say that why I should spoil relations with the party, and this type of people are there at the helm of affairs of the party. I never make never allegation on person. It is only the type of leaders that are there. And with this type of leaders, I think party needs a revamp. If the party doesn't revamp, these things will continue. Then you have chances of making allegations, big seeing, सगळे मागे तुका चान्स पडटा. नाल्यार तुका चान्स पडना. बरें तर हाय कपास्तानी लीडर आहे, जे गोंयकारपण, जे पार्टीचे इंटरेस्ट, जे लोकांचे इंटरेस्ट चोयतले, व्हडले तेही पार्टी नाही. ह्या टायमाचे when BJP also doesn't have good leaders, आमगे आजून देखून सोदोन नाही चोवपाक की गोंयकारांक लिडरशिप जाय, गोंयकारांक आपल्याक इश्यू घेवपाक, गोंयकारांक सांबाळपाक मनीस जाय म्हणून आजून देखून जे मनशांक लोकांनी फुंक्या पावर दिले, दे एन्जॉयड द कॉस्ट ऑफ द पीपल. इतू वर्सां काँग्रेस पार्टीचेर आजून देखून अंडरस्टँड जाय नाही. गोंयकारांक जाय म्हणून टायम येयलो आपल्या पत्ती कितें गोंयकारांक दिवपाचें. गोंयकारांक आमकां इतू दिलां आपणाक, आपण गोंयकारांक कितें दितो म्हण आजून देखून तें खाडीच ना. हे मनीस आज काँग्रेस पार्टी आहे. गोंयकारांक जर तर हें चेंज करना, गोंयकार जर तर हें जर जाग्यार घानाय, गोंय म्हणटा गेलें आनी ना.